I already started out messed up. Sunrise, Florida.
What's going on?
Yeah, good evening. I'm Uber driver. So a request. I took the lady with the
her two
children.
kids?
Yes.
From where?
Right here,
In Tamarack?
I don't know exactly the address.
Not over here.
Come on, man.
Turn around. Okay, let me.
What's up, guys?
So, say. No, the address. Going. No, the GPS at the left. No, at the right. No, please, lady.
What are you talking about? Okay.
Please. No, please. Cancel. I'll give you extra money. Give me some money. Yeah, give me 10 bucks. Bring me to this address.
Where did you bring her?
Here.
Where is she?
She went to, I don't know, she was walking over there. I think...
Nigga, what are you doing? Hold on, something wrong with my computer.
I'm coming.
Bro.
Coming also.
So basically, this is a little hard to follow. So basically, he picked this lady up with her two kids, with no car seats, illegal. And I guess he was trying to, okay, look. She got the Uber, he's the Uber driver. She asked him to cancel the ride and was gonna pay him cash to take her to a location. She told him to stop. She got out without her two children and just walked the fuck off. I'd have been like, hold on, bro. You're not gonna leave me with your children at all. Ma'am, what are you doing? As soon as I saw her walking a couple feet away from the vehicle, I would have told her, kids, get the fuck out. No. Because if you didn't know, adults are responsible for any children that are within, I think, a couple yards within them or something. Look up the law. But if she would have got too far away from that car, then legally he would be responsible for those children.
Look. How many calls? 12 calls.
What does she look like?
Nigga, you got the baby in the front seat with the keys in the car? What are you doing? This nigga is irresponsible as hell. This nigga's stupid. And the officer standing right there like, nigga, y'all don't see this?
Girls,
okay.
like a Spanish.
Okay.
Spanish, we have the dresses like a brown one beige.
Okay.
But so also I send a message to Craig.
And you've been here for how long?
More than 2 hours.
Right here.
And
Yes.
you waited 2
I
hours
don't know
to call the
because
police?
Yeah.
So, Emily, please come to pick up your children. They are asking for you. I send the because she is drunk. I just think maybe she don't know where.
Yeah.
Emily,
She's drunk.
call the police. I have to leave. Please answer the phone.
Nothing.
Nothing. Look.
And you saw her walk this way?
Yeah, walk this way.
In the parking behind the trucks?
Oh no, I don't move right here because.
Yeah. No, but where you saw her walk?
Yeah.
I
think
that way.
Yes.
And then you didn't see her when she.
I drove for this way.
And you didn't see nothing.
Nothing.
You said you think she was drunk?
Excuse me.
Okay.
Give me.
What's up, guys?
She let it smell. It's wrong.
That nigga's Puerto Rican. You know
She
the
was
smell of
wrong.
rum, huh?
I saw her. I told him. Hey, come here. Let's go. Let me take you home.
Yeah.
No. Please. Let me take you home. Your babies.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Please. Cancel.
That's how I know he's Puerto Rican. He told the story twice.
He's able to explain it to me, but about 2 hours ago, or a little bit more now, he picked some lady up out of Tamarack.
Yeah, because took the trip maybe 8:20
Yeah.
or something. Yes.
She gave him an address.
Oh man, shut up.
She kept telling him deviating from what the GPS was saying. She goes, just cancel the ride, I'll give you extra cash, give him like $10, and tells him pretty much ends up here. She gets out of the car, walks through the lot, disappears. Appears to be intoxicated. She was drinking out of a cup. You smell remnants of rum. No clue where she is right now. Just left the kids. Obviously, she doesn't know this gentleman. He's just an Uber driver, and walked off.
So he said he was able to call her.
Yeah, but she stopped up.
That's why he waited 2 hours. He killed that cup. He drank the rest of it. And he was like, damn, I can't call the police with alcohol on my breath with kids in the car. And I'm an Uber. Let me just wait another hour. Took another sip. He drank that cup.
Stop answering.
Yes.
What's the problem? Let's hit this hard. She's got to be somewhere. She just walked in and he was like, what am I going to do? Like, I got the kids. He says he drove over, didn't see anybody. He's like calling her. She was initially answering.
Yeah.
And stopped answering. But he's like, he was telling her, like, you're drunk.
She got high and she's selling it.
Where did you pick her up from?
Yeah.
From her house, you take her?
No,
Restaurant. Like a plaza with bars and.
Yeah. So start I mean, I'm not gonna game plan, but canvas. Yeah. Start canvassing, take it by sectors, and figure out what we got. Let me start hitting too. Let me drive. You guys you're staying here, right, with the kids? Time for.
Plot twist. He's the baby daddy. And he's just trying to drop the kids off early, and it's supposed to be his weekend.
Take your hands out your pockets for me.
That's the mom?
Do you have 2 kids? Were you just in an Uber with your 2 kids? Yeah, 5. I'm through 5 with her, just east of the McDonald's in the Publix Plaza off Not Building Commercial. Just do me a favor, sit down there. Sit down. Because you just left your kids with an Uber and we're all over town looking for you. It doesn't matter. Do me a favor and sit down. What's in the backpack? Any weapons or anything like that? Okay, do me a favor, take it off and just set it to the side.
Condoms and weed.
Don't go in it.
Makeup.
Just set it to the side. You left your kids for 2 hours.
How many kids are in there?
It's been over 2 hours. Do you know where you left them at? Where did you leave them at? Where were you going? Huh? So you were just gonna leave the Uber and walk home?
Not walk home, but my situation is like a little bit complicated.
I understand that, but your number 1 priority should be your kids.
My children, absolutely, 100%. Oh my God, listen, I'm not a criminal, bro.
You committed a crime, bitch. You're a criminal.
I'm sorry. I will cooperate, whatever it is, what it is. My bad, I'm sorry. It's crazy.
What's her name?
She's Colombian.
It's her.
My name's Emily. How you doing?
Yeah, it's her.
Emily? Yep, she's Colombian.
What's going on?
I don't have a car.
We know that.
We're 25. Not a car, what else?
I like to be honest, bro. Like, it is what it is. I don't
Talk
have a
to
car.
us.
My kids were with me earlier. I got a ride. They did karate over here.
Okay.
I came back. The ride was waiting for me. And I'm here now.
So where are your kids?
With the Uber.
Why?
Is there any reason why you just left them?
I didn't leave them.
So explain to me, so your kids were at karate here. From here you guys got in the Uber.
Correct.
You remember what color was the car? What do you remember the
Man, she
body
is
style of the car?
blessed. By God. She is just lucky that this man is not a weirdo. He didn't traumatize them in any way. He seemed like he was not a regular guy, because you let this bitch walk away from her children and you waited 2 hours. But damn, bro, you're lucky this man is not mischievous in that way, bro. That's a blessing.
Car?
No, listen, like, I get a whole bunch of Ubers, Lyfts, all the time.
Okay, so you guys leave here in the Uber. Where was the destination from here?
Home.
Did
Wait
you
a
at
minute.
any...
Karate class is expensive as hell. This area doesn't look like it's the inner urban community. It doesn't look all fucked up. So you can afford karate class for 2 kids, but you can't afford a fucking car? Something's not adding up. They probably got their dads in their lives and all of that. She probably an alcoholic and she couldn't even get a car. Her license probably all suspended. Totaled her last car.
Tell the Uber
And
driver...
she leaves them all the time, bro. You could tell they weren't even bothered that their mom left them for 2 hours. Like it was a regular thing. And they're both under the age of 10.
to go somewhere else, a different route?
My phone died.
Okay, but that's not answering my question. At any point, did you tell the Uber driver to deter your route out away from your house somewhere else?
No, just my phone was just fucking dead, to be honest with you.
Bro, fuck your phone. What are you talking
I don't mean to, like, be an
about?
asshole or be, like, mean, but, like, yeah, my phone was dead.
Yeah.
But what does that have to do with the Uber getting you to your home, if he already had your address?
Because I don't have my actual phone, I don't have my car, I'm not in
What are
control
you
of my situation. And I'm with my kids. Oh, God. Hi, how you doing?
You don't believe in God, or you gonna left your children with a stranger?
I don't know what's going on right now. I'm good.
What's going on is you deserted your kids for 2 hours. That's what's going on.
I'm sorry?
You deserted your kids for 2 hours.
I feel you. 100%. I'm just a mom.
You're
I
not
just
a
wanna see
mom,
I want to
nigga.
go home, to be honest with you. And yes, I felt very vulnerable not knowing where the hell my kids were at. Because my phone was dead and I couldn't.
So you left your children with the Uber. You walked away to do God knows what. Your phone died and you couldn't find the Uber, is what you're saying? Maybe if you wouldn't have left your children and walked away so fucking far, you wouldn't have got allegedly lost, supposedly lost. Get the fuck out of here, goofy
The
ass
guy that
nigga.
was giving me a ride. And it is what it is. That's the truth. That is the honest truth. Like, that is, like, as real as I could fucking get, to be honest with you. I don't mean to curse, but it is what it is, bro. I have learned to be honest with my shit. And you know what? Yes, it sucks and I know where my kids are at. My kids are everything to me.
No, they're not.
I signed them up for karate. I don't have a fucking car.
You said you had a car. You said, I don't have my car. You have a car. You just have a reason you can't drive it. It's probably not because there's anything wrong with it mechanically. Her license is probably suspended. More than likely.
For my job. Fucking rides here, there. Drop them off. Fucking sucks.
She went to go to the bar. That officer
Reader-
has cakes.
Reader.
God damn, baby. 2 black police, eh?
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, everything. Alright, the law
You didn't
requires that you be
memorize it?
advised of these
Damn.
rights prior to answering any questions or making a statement.
the car.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. I'm just
You're
not
going
in
to jail.
handcuffs. Nobody's pulled them out. I just have to read you your rights.
Sit down.
Don't.
Sit back down, dude.
You're not free to
No,
go.
it's okay. No, I just...
Sit back down.
No, that's... Maybe
Just
that's fine.
let me finish, and then
I just,
we'll get to
honestly,
it.
right now, I feel very vulnerable for not... Like,
You
I
are
don't know.
vulnerable.
Just let me
Bitch, you're
finish,
surrounded
and then
by
we can get to
police.
talking, okay?
You're very intimidating.
You're sitting
Would
down.
you like her to read them?
Stupid ass.
Tag it.
Idiot. You gotta do all this before you go to jail?
Come on.
Wait, let me see how they got arrested.
Tag it. Tag it. Come on.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, ow. You guys are too strong.
Okay.
You're too strong. You eat your vegetables, that's why. You eat your
See,
vegetables.
they're totally fine. She leaves them all the fucking time. That's horrible.